What it do, YouTube? I'm back once again. I'm sorry I've been gone too long, you know. I got busy and got sidetracking myself, but now I'm back. I'm back with it once again, you know. Still looking good. Still looking handsome, you know. You see the waves up there, yes sir. But today is one of those days that I feel like working out. That's what I've been doing lately, just working out, and I haven't been posting. You know, I've been lazy when it come down to me recording myself working out and all that. But now I'm back on it. Now we back with it. But today is upper body day. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of workout exercises I do, you know, upper body and whatnot. I'm down here at the truck stop. I'm at Pilots, down here in South Florida. I'm at a Pilot. But yeah, let's stop all the small talking. Let's get on to it. Well, I was in the groove, but look like it's about to storm outside, so I had to cut my workout short. Oh, jeez. I had to cut my workout short. But hope you guys liked the video. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna be making more content, making more workout videos on the road, off the road. Make sure y'all tune in, like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna pressure nobody to, you know, subscribe to my channel, you know, and all that. You know, I'm not, you know, that it's not that serious. But I'll see y'all guys next time, man. It's finna get down out here, so I'll see y'all next time. I might post tomorrow, if it doesn't rain. That's one of the biggest cons out here when I try to work out. It's always raining, storming, and yeah, it's going crazy right now. But I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.